Hi, here's another tip for Tech Tuesday. I just want to show you how I keep all of my technology websites organized. So I do it all in my bookmarks. And so you can just see here up on the top of my bookmarks bar. But I personally have chosen to do it is I have the most important ones here. So like where I'm grading, and then for math we use Alex. So are my very most important ones here, but then I've created a bunch of folders based on what I personally want. So I have lesson ideas. These are just websites of things that, hey, I think that might be fun to use one day in my classroom. Technology Toolbox. This is what a lot of the tech tips have been about. I have some math specific technology that I really like. But then here's some classroom timers, Prezi, ThingLink, Edpuzzle, Nearpod. So this is where I keep all of my technology toolbox. So for example, if I say, hey, I want to give some kind of quiz, or I want to do something like that that's not just on Canvas, I look on here and say, oh, I like quizzes. I click on that. Or I say, hey, I want to make a presentation. How should I do my presentation? I say, hey, maybe I'll do Slides, Carnival, Adobe Spark, or Canva. Or I want to give some kind of quiz that's not quizzes. I don't want that same format. Well, maybe I do Go Formative or Socrative. So anyway, that's my technology toolbox. Professional links. I have my standards, Observer tab, Midas, some UEN stuff, USB stuff. So anything that is a link to something professional. Personal links. These are things that are just for myself personally. Then I'm a teacher mentor, so we had a training, and this is all the resources we were given. And then my royalty-free resources, so students can make presentations without having to worry about copyrights. Anyway, that's just to show you. Obviously, these are the folders that work best for me. You can do whatever you want. I wanted to show you how I keep all of my technology organized.